Welcome to Penny's Kitchen. I'm making a veggie lasagna where the vegetables become the layers. Check out that pivoting peeler. It is so cool. So we've got eggplant and we've got squash. And I am going to take the eggplant, brush it on both sides, and look at our sheet pan. Once it is baked on that rack, the veggies are not mushy at all. And I also have some spring onions on there. Now we're going to cook the sausage. The mix and chop is the fastest selling tool we ever had at the Pampered Chef. Look at that great job it does. We're going to cook it all through, breaking it up. And now the scoop and drain is going to allow us to take all the sausage out and leave all the grease behind. The twist and chop for our basil and parsley. Nothing gets stuck on the bottom. Time for ricotta and egg, and adding the herbs back in for our cheese layer. Fresh mozzarella in the quick slice. We gather our veggies. Look how firm they stay cooking on that rack. Brilliance loaf pans. One of these is half the size of a 9 by 13 inch baker, and we do want to grease it. And now we're ready to build. So yummy! Who wants to make this?